Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need to start with the right account, so sign into the Google profile you normally use. Once signed in, open the YouTube app or visit YouTube. Calm and make sure you're online. Next, go directly to your avatar, tap or click it to access settings. This sequence matters because search history is tied to account and device permissions. If you jump ahead without confirming account or connectivity, you'll miss the settings that actually control whether searches are recorded. Once you're in settings, choose History and Privacy. This is where YouTube records searches. Make sure search history is not paused. If it is, toggle it off to resume logging. Then open your Google account's web and app activity settings because YouTube uses that to store history across devices. If web and app activity is disabled, re-enable it and allow history to sync. These steps fix the common mismatch between device settings and account-level controls that prevents search history from appearing. After changing settings, clear the app cache or browser cache and sign out, then sign back in to force a refresh. Once done, perform 2 or 3 unique searches and check history to confirm entries appear. This verifies syncing is working. If history still fails, make sure you're not in incognito or private mode and disable any ad blockers or privacy extensions temporarily. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, check another device to determine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.